Yo, SALINA in this bitch about to get lit. What's up? What's up? Hey cousins, today we're gonna do a hair tutorial that's gonna match a makeup look that I'm doing. So we're gonna get right into it. You know, usually I already have my face beat already for the guards, but today I ain't got time for that. So I'm gonna do like a high puff, pineapple puff, and then it's just gonna slick this down, and we're gonna use these little Dollar Tree clips. I'm doing like a yellow, not yellow, but a green and pink look. Eco Style Gel Gold Series on you. Edge booster, this is like the stick. We're gonna try this because sometimes I leave my white. I ain't got time for it today. Nah, that hurts. Dollar Tree little brush that make you feel like you back again at home. Make you do that. So then we got this comb. We ain't gonna use that hoe. But and we got these little things that I told you I like. These right here. These is good for when you just want to do a little puff. They have no metal things on it. Let's get started. Water. Always keep your hair hydrated. And then I'm gonna take this right here. And then I'm gonna take like this much. I'm just playing. Oh, it felt I play too much. I'm gonna take about this. Make sure your hands is coated. And then put that on the bike. On the side right there. Oh, no, you didn't. You ain't finna pull my little hair out. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Actually, I don't even think I did this style. I used to do this style a long time ago when my hair, before I went natural. I'm gonna insert the picture. And I'm gonna take this brush and just start brushing everything up. And I separated the bang part from the hair so it don't get mixed in. And then now I'm gonna just get all your hair, put it up, push it up. My hair thick, y'all. Break. Ooh, shoot. Okay, and then that's up. Make sure everything is brushed in. You don't want nothing left out. I say nothing. Mean nothing. Then you gonna grab your handy dandy. Hold on, I'm tired. Ooh, snap. Then you're gonna wrap that around and just only wrap it around one time because you don't need it too much. Put water on this also. Ooh, I'm getting my little eyebrows and everything wet. Let me just start brushing this down from the rooter to the tutor. And the arm part of my hair, that's parts, like I said, it's just a 4-letter word. I ain't got time for that. So then you just gonna take some of the Eco and hold your hair down little by little. I could have piecemealed it, but hood this, you gotta get to what you want real quick. So get a little more. Put it down to your ends. Stick that mug down. Put a little bit more down now, because you want it to kind of be straight, but man, my shit gonna curl right back up. But green, pink, green, then pink. Then I'm just take that last green and just move it to the back. Just put it back there just to settle. Put that down. BB, hold it down. And so green, pink, the last one. Put it back there. Then you can just put the last of whatever you had left inside the ponytail. Like so, like that. And then that's it. That's my little look. Well, I'm still looking busted, but you're gonna see when it all comes together. So that's all she wrote. So you know, this bitch stay lit back up.